Hello everyone, welcome to this online course on material science. I am Dr. Imtiaz Ahmed from the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, University of Dhaka. This course usually is taught at the level of fourth year BSc Engineering, and the course is usually known by the code EEE 4105 here. My motivation here is to give a series of online lectures to help the students in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. And I will try to keep the contents of these video lectures as self-contained as possible. And I will try to maintain a pedagogical style to make the contents of these video lectures more accessible to the students. And I will also try to keep the length or the duration of these video lectures at a minimum level to cover a single topic comfortably. So let's have a look at the course syllabus now. So if you look at the syllabus, we cover a wide range of topics in this course. We start with thermal properties, then we go through electrical properties, dielectrics, optical properties of the material. Then we study magnetic properties, superconductivity, and the course ends with some basic understanding of nonlinear optics. And we have some very standard references, very standard textbooks for this course. But don't worry at this moment about the specific references, because I'll be mentioning them as we go along. And I'll be giving all the references needed to cover the topics, so that no one has any problem finding these materials in those references. So my plan here is to divide my lectures in different modules. For example, there will be one module on thermal properties, there will be one module on electrical properties, and within those modules I will be giving several lectures with variable duration. And also, if you look at this syllabus, you will see that the modules are quite independent from each other. So it really doesn't matter where I start. So my plan will be to start the magnetic properties of the material, and then I will choose as I go along. Now let's have a deeper look at this course content. So in the thermal properties, we usually study things like specific heat, different models, thermal expansion, heat conduction, and the thermionic emission. If you look at the electrical properties, we start with the classical Drude model to discuss different effects in the material, and then we consider some of the quantum mechanical correction to the Drude model. Then in the dielectric property, we cover things like local field theory in the Maxwell's equation, Clausius-Mossot equation, dielectrics, polarizability. In the optical property, you see we cover materials like Lorentz dipole oscillator model, what is luminescence, photoluminescence. So yes, there are plenty of variety of topics in this course, and I will divide them in different modules. In every module we have a set of lectures, and I will try to keep the lectures as self-contained as possible. So I think that's about it. Thanks for listening.